Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, this video is also in the continuation of my previous video, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful and very creative artistic designer style face mask designs. Because as all of you would know that coronavirus, which has been termed as COVID-19, is a very dangerous virus and it is a pandemic situation. It has affected a number of people throughout the whole world. And although its cure is well known, but we should take some precautionary measures to avoid it, because rather than curing or damaging your body from something, it is very important to stay protected from it. So, face mask is a sure way to keep yourself protected, because coronavirus is a virus that enters into your body through your mouth and touching contact. So friends, my today's video is about very easy, very beautiful designer style patterns of face masks. Yes, you reach very well that these are entirely made up of crochet. And the designing is also done onto it. The designing is done by using some more designing or floral patterns of crochet, that is granny square pattern, some crisscross patterns, some chain patterns, and using hand embroidery as well. So friends, I suggest you to try these patterns and make your own very beautiful designer style easy face masks and stay protected from coronavirus at the same time. So friends, these masks are very lightweight, they are affordable, they are easy to wear, washable, reusable, and at the same time they would provide protection against other acute and minor viruses and issues like pollen allergies, anti-dust, anti-pollution, direct sun damage, sunburn, pigmentation, suntans, and much more. Like in this mauve mask, inner filter is of tissue paper. You can also use it, or some white color cotton filter pocket. So now let's move to the important question, that with which type of thread you can make this. The answer to this is very simple, that you can use wool for knitting these. And if you don't want to use wool, then you can use cotton threads, that is anchor, DMC, and staple as well. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. And keep sharing my videos with your friends and family, because this is not just a fashion content, but it is also concerned with our health. So when we live in a world or an area, we are also touched and we are connected with our loved ones. And it's our duty to keep them protected as well. These masks are for anyone and every sort of age group people, that is adults, children, older age ones, and teenagers as well. And male, female, both genders can simply wear these masks. The beauty of these masks is that they can be reusable by washing them, because they are washable. And they would keep you chic, classy, and stylish at the same time, because by wearing this you can have a very beautiful matching and funky look with your dresses in accordance with your masks. Stay blessed, stay connected, don't panic, handle coronavirus efficiently.